everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you what's going to happen on ETV Skinner from the 7th to the 11th of April 2025 on Monday. Nhloso planned to tread carefully in his mission to deal with the fragile guest. The husband makes a decision that doesn't sit well with his wife. Vovo is troubled to notice a stark change in Potsotso's demeanor upon his return on Tuesday. Mthunzi find his gap, and Mdala's DIY antics lead him to a shocking discovery. Keliboni gets her way, but she is not happy. Potsotso fills the Etemini community with hope and excitement on Wednesday. A secret forces men to get into bed with the devil. Effort means nothing to Keliboni. A man sticks his head out of the cloud and rolls up his sleeves on Thursday. With summer day apparently in a clear, Mthunzi bait his trap. Toriso comes to Keliboni's assisted with the dramatic consequences. Potsotso tried to remain positive, although his phone does not start ringing on Friday. An old man is sold a ruse of a past he dearly wants to revisit. Things are icy at the Tubelers, and poet need to plead his case. Under pressure, Potsotso goes all out, but his attempts are rejected. Well, guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.